My name is Corrie Volinkaty, and I've been with Abaris since 2007. And I can't believe how fast the time goes by. Weeks and months and years just go by really fast here. My background is in aircraft maintenance, and been worked that professionally for a while before coming on board here with Abaris. One of the best things I think about training here, being a part of Abaris, is the students. We get some of the best students, and we're just so fortunate to be a part of their journey. And to me, that's the best part of it. My colleagues here at Abaris are wonderful. We have a kind of internal agreement that when we walk in the door, we keep all the outside behind. And I think it takes a special relationship to adhere to that and to put our students first. Since my time at Abaris, we've been involved with several projects, and there's been milestones along the way from just the Abaris history. But a couple of the highlights for me are some of the course development work that we've done, some of the trade show activities that we do. I'm specifically speaking of the aviation maintenance competition, where we were asked to put together a composite skills event. And 10 years ago, we started off with a handful of teams, and now we're at 90 teams from around the world that are learning about composites, learning about this one skill that we offer. And that was our whole idea of creating composite skills for that, so they would learn something about composites. And it's really taken off, and obviously there's other skills that they do, like safety wiring and wheels and brakes and a whole bunch of others, but the composite skills event is ours. I feel like I could connect to the students, I can find where they're at, and I can help fill in their knowledge, or fill in a gap of their knowledge, and it becomes a communication. And I also feel, we'll see what the rest of the instructors think about this last one, but I also feel like I'm the best whiteboard illustrator that Abaris has. Being able to illustrate something that you're trying to explain, as adult learners, a lot of us we learn by visual and hearing and seeing and doing. And when we're learning, before we get out into the workshop, being able to see something on the whiteboard that I'm talking about, I think makes a nice connection.